When it comes to exfoliating, we usually head for the face and forget that the rest of our body needs some loving too. Owner, and yeah, she's doing this. Owner of Fitzgerald's Boutique, Monique Fitzgerald, is here to run through what we should use. Hi.
Hello.
First of all, we're all about the, buy Jamaica, build Jamaica. A lot of the times, whenever we hear of certain beauty products, the first thing we think of is foreign.
Neutrogena.
Yeah, different brands.
Yes, the big brands.
And we don't think that we have this here. How long have you guys been doing this?
We have been at it for a year and a half now. So early March last year.
Okay. So you're a biochemist, food
No,
chemist?
actually, I'm studying anthropology.
Anthropology?
Yes.
And what that have to do with soap and scrub, miss? Not a thing. Okay. How did you get into starting something like this?
I needed products for my skin, and it was so expensive to go to the pharmacy every week and buy stuff. So I tried and make them myself. So
hold on, did you go on YouTube and learn, or you just knew how to do this?
Google, YouTube.
Google is a good.
Yes.
Let me explain how these people take us for fool, right? They have this gift, because I know if I wanted to create these things and I went and I Googled and YouTube, this would not be the product.
Yeah, I can't make soap. I've tried.
But you can make the scrub.
But I can't make scrub.
Come and show us here, my darling. Monique, you're going to show us how we can do simple scrubs at home, right?
So you see she's sharing the wealth, so we might as well support. All right, which scrub are you going to be helping us make this morning?
We are going to be making a whipped sugar scrub this morning.
Okay.
We're going to call it Island Escape.
All right.
Island Escape.
Okay, so
I'd love to be a part of the naming committee. Like you're building a scrub and you're just like, okay, so
let's think of a name. Like how we're going to buy
you go
this
right ahead.
oil.
Okay, so this is a mixture of shea butter and coconut oil. Originally, it's supposed to be harder than this, so it could whip properly. So we're going to start
Like a step back,
by
just in case it whip and fly right out of the container.
So coconut and shea.
attempting to whip it.
Okay.
Shea oil? Shea butter.
Shea butter.
Right.
So it is supposed to be harder,
So it can whip up.
so it can whip up light and fluffy.
Okay,
And
nice.
then, could you open it for me, please?
Sure. How much of it do you need?
All of it.
All of it?
Yes.
I must dump it into there?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
If I make mistake, I might fall in a U-turn for do it.
Pound of sugar.
And so we're going to mix it together.
Watch me try this evening.
And it no work.
Mercy.
And so we want to kind of emulsify.
Hold on. Yes, when we talk, we have to. When we spin, we can't talk because them can't hear. So spin
Okay.
first and then talk. So spin for however long. What
Okay.
is emulsification?
It's combining the oils and the other products together.
Yes, Terry. Mash it up. Mash it up.
So
And how long does it usually take? Not long, because it's just a mix-up.
it's not long.
Okay.
And so we're going to rest this right here. And could you open that for me,
Sure.
please?
What is this?
That is the fragrance oil, Island Escape.
This is a smell. Yes,
You can buy these ready-made?
Yes,
this
but
is
these
your
are
thing
from
that you made?
overseas.
Oh, is that
But you can buy the base products yourself and mix them.
Peppermint or whatever.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, you can
How much I must use?
take a spoon.
Uno spoono?
They don't ask me to mix anything because they remember the last time.
And
Yes, we remember what happened when you were trying to
Yes,
cook.
that's
enough.
quite fine, yes.
And just dump it
Dump
in.
it in there. And when we're going to mix it again just to combine it.
You know what Terry's gonna do? Terry's gonna package.
And help with the names. I promise you.
She can package.
You notice I don't
Go
help
package.
to open anything.
No,
I'm just
no,
like
you go package.
Okay. And we're going to separate it because then we're going to add colors now.
Can that be eaten? Can that be eaten?
Terry, don't eat it.
I'm just asking for persons out there,
well,
asking for a friend.
before
If
you
it doesn't work out as a scrub, just saying. If it doesn't work out the way you intended it, can I eat that?
I think
Well, the
before
sugar
scent.
and the coconut oil,
Yes.
but not the shea butter and the
Okay, fine.
So
fragrance oil.
That's a no, Terry.
You may proceed.
Okay, what are some of the benefits of using a body scrub?
So the benefits are that it scrubs away the
Dead.
skin cells, so it reveals the new healthy skin.
I'm gonna need some new healthy
It
skin.
smooths the skin.
And your skin is actually beautiful.
very
I'm looking
nice,
up
yeah.
very close to her and her
And
skin
I
is
see
beautiful.
where it says it can reduce the chance of an occasional breakout.
Yes.
So it will help with breakouts if you have breakouts.
Yes, especially if you get a tea tree or green tea body scrub, or even a
Right.
charcoal scrub. Charcoal is very popular now.
Yeah.
Because it helps bind the metals and
the
other
toxins.
toxins in your body and dry it out.
Nice.
Can you exfoliate everywhere?
everywhere.
When you say everywhere, what you mean, Terry?
Well, okay,
Well, your
at the
face,
beginning,
your neck, your body. Leave the
Everywhere.
sensitive
The body is
areas a
leave the
while.
leave the sensitive.
Leave the sensitive
Okay.
areas alone.
You never know. Like a lot of the times we take these things for granted, and you'll have people who say, "Well, it's okay, no problem."
Please show Terry how to package or finish it up. Terry can finish up.
Some of the other
Okay.
benefits are to prevent ingrown hairs, make hair removal easier,
just a
smooth
scoop.
razor bumps,
In this one.
and of course, like I was telling you, to smooth your elbows and your knees, because those are the places that tend to get crusty.
They have little glitter. So this is like a Jamaica.
Oh, glitter!
Too much? Bye, too big?
No.
Jesus, please, Terry, put the green into the
Listen,
melon.
she did not give me proper instructions. I'm so sorry. I'm the one that
Okay.
never usually allowed to do these things because of.
We're going to
How
stir
often
this.
should you exfoliate?
You should exfoliate no more than once or twice a week because
Why?
you don't want to actually damage the skin.
The new one that's
new
growing.
cells that
Alright,
are
got you,
there.
man. Whistle red, whistle
So we're going
red.
to stir this some,
Come, Terry, your time now.
and then
No, I think she's gotten that she should pour. Go ahead, baby. Don't mind me here.
And then you just mix it up with the color, and then there you go. Voila.
So
Terry, you
the
must
difference-
can mix without
Yes.
mashing it up.
Puree.
Watch her foot have a cock out. She mix,
Puree.
by the way, just
Because
so
you
know.
guys always, tell me that I'm not capable. So I'm just showing you.
That's not true. We never say you're not capable of mixing sugar. We say you're not capable of
Not
cooking.
capable of cooking egg.
And of course, once you do that, we can package them out into these nice little
Yeah.
containers.
You can actually feel, if you stir, you can actually feel it getting thick.
Yeah.
yeah,
Very cool.
So I must pour it into the container now?
yes, we
Me have one right here, so and Terry have one, and you have one.
okay.
Like curry.
So
Curry?
It look the color.
It's not curry.
Oh
Terry.
gosh.
Oh no, not all of it. Hold on.
But not all of it. See some there.
Put some of the green in
Some in
here.
it. Oh, you're going to make it into triple.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
that's so cool.
So it's gonna end up looking something
So that's-
like this. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you for
And
having me.
You know where to find her. Where can we find you?
So we are on Facebook at Fitzgerald's Boutique and also on Instagram as Fitzgerald's Boutique. You can call us at 501-9972 or email us at fitzgeraldsboutique@gmail.com.
There you have it. All our handles are on the
I added the yellow to the green. Should I
Yeah.
have?
You see, if we don't watch Terry closely, she's here spoiling it. That's why we don't trust her with anything. Owner of Fitzgerald's Boutique, Monique Fitzgerald. Thank you so much
You
for
sure
coming
it's
by.
supposed to go with the yellow gone?
It should dose it. You can, We're gonna go for a break and clear up the mess that Terry has made. We'll be right back.